Hey, we're in Pelican Bay. As a quick reminder, there's 2 private beach clubs. There's homes on the beach that are 20 million or more. There's big estate homes that are 10 million or more. There's small condos that are 1 million or less. And then you have something like St. Andrews, which are smaller single family homes. And oh, by the way, everything here is in an X-flood zone. But I'm gonna tell you another reason why this home is incredibly unique. It was built in '87, but it's effectively a brand new home. Let's go inside and let me show you. As mentioned, the home is effectively brand new. So there's no better place to start than in this amazing kitchen. Cristallo quartzite countertop. As you can see, it's running up the backsplash. We have all Bosch appliances, all custom cabinetry. These are ArtCraft custom cabinets. And as you see, we have the floating shelves with integrated LED lights. Ceiling detail, which was added. The good part about this home is it already had nice high ceilings, but then we added the wood beams. It naturally flows in to the great room. We have the custom built-ins here. Now, my personal favorite part of the home is this amazing dry bar. Same Cristallo countertops. You got your walnut cabinetry, 56 wine bottle storage. We have a sub-zero fridge freezer. You got your ice maker down below. Naturally, we're gonna go outside now. New decking, new outdoor kitchen, cypress tongue and groove ceiling. Pool's been redone, all new pebble, new coping, new drainage, new panoramic or picture frame screen. So this is a quartz countertop, and you can see it's a book match finish. The cabinetry is king starboard. That's typically used on yachts. It's virtually indestructible. If you go to the other side of the bar, you'll see the cypress over there. Again, another example of all the detail. And then on our right, we have the outdoor shower. On our left, you have the sliders into the courtyard, give you some nice bright natural light. You see the nice big bedroom, amazing lake view. Now let's go check out the master closet and the amazing master bathroom. Here we have the den. Now what happens, being that this product, this home in St. Andrews, is right in the middle, right? We have a lot of people that come in that are in Pelican Bay and they're like, hey, I need to downsize because I don't need the big house. Or we have other people, the smaller condos, that say, hey, I need to upsize because I need a little bit more space for the grandkids or visitors. So this, again, the home is 3 bedrooms and a den. This den can actually act as a 4th bedroom if you need it. I personally love the finishes in this bathroom. I don't know if it's the triangle or the blue. I think it's probably the blue, but it's just the overall combo. This bathroom is fantastic. As mentioned, this is effectively a new home. Let me give you one quick example. Where we're standing right now, that used to be the kitchen. So we created this ensuite bedroom. We put the kitchen over on the other side of this wall, and we created one additional ensuite. So when I say it's effectively a brand new home, that means new roof, new kitchen, new floorings, new walls, level 5 smooth drywall, lighting, electrical, plumbing. We're cutting concrete to change the plumbing, all new mechanicals, you name it, it's new. And here's our pantry, nice walk-in. One of the things on the transformation, this was originally washer dryer. Here, we had to reconfigure this area to create that and then have your laundry room space right here. Another change to the home, we made this bedroom ensuite. You can see the door here. Again, this is the 3rd bedroom, a lot of bright light coming out of your courtyard. For the 3rd full bath, here's your tub. As we know, a lot of people say you gotta have 1 tub, so we wanted to make sure that was included. 7-Eleven Heathery is probably the best product that we have put out recently. And it goes back to having an amazing team. Blue Horizon Construction, big shout out to Cameron, Rahi, and Greg Chevalier. And then we have Van Eliza Design that helped us with the design. Amazing team, amazing product. I'm Josephson with the Naples Relocation Experts, and we're so excited to show you 7-Eleven Heathery Lane.